Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by assessing the damaged thread and confirming size and pitch. This matters because the wrong match ruins repair attempts. Once measured, clean the hole thoroughly with solvent and compressed air so you can see the flanks. Now choose a thread file or tapered round file that matches the profile. Secure the workpiece, then align the file with the thread and recut with controlled strokes, keeping the original helix angle so mating fasteners will seat properly. When recutting won't work, use a sleeve or oversize bolt method. Select a sleeve or tube that fits the bore snugly and offers an internal thread for the original bolt. Once test fit proves alignment, coat the outer sleeve with high-strength epoxy and insert it centered. Hold or clamp until it cures fully. Make sure the sleeve's internal diameter matches the original bolt so the fastener threads in smoothly. This restores clamping force without tapping new. Finish by threading the correct bolt slowly. Feel for smooth engagement and then torque to specification. Once tightened, inspect for movement or binding and verify clamp load. Make sure the repair isn't deforming under load. If you feel binding, back the bolt out and clean both mating faces, apply a drop of lubricant, and try again. If it still catches, recut the thread lightly or consider drilling and installing a mechanical insert. If the sleeve or epoxy shows failure, replace or professionally repair the part.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.